in you, and how can you protect your money as much as possible? Joining us right now, Lance Roberts. He's a conservative radio talk show host and the CEO of Street Talk Advisors, a personal investment firm. Lance, what should we be looking for in terms of what to invest in with our money during these perilous times?
Well, sure, and we can talk about this from two different perspectives. First, as an investment manager and from the economic standpoint, rising interest rates are going to be hurting the average American because it's going to increase their borrowing costs. It's also going to impact the stock market because it's going to slow the economy. So things such as bonds are a great way to hedge off some of the volatility risk in stocks. So in other words, as we see a decline in economic growth, stocks are going to decline. So your 401k is going to get hit by that. So moving some money into bonds and actually even cash on a short-term basis is a good way to offset some of that equity risk.
Right.
Also, one of the other sides. Go ahead.
Well, you really knocked it down to three different areas: volatility, bears, and gold. Let's start with the more on volatility.
Sure. Yeah, volatility is simply a function of what we're just talking about. Stocks decline, that means there's volatility. So there's actually investments that can bet against the volatility, such as the VIX, the volatility index, the VIX. Also, shorting, actually placing a short position against the stock market in your portfolio also can take away some of that downside risk. So if you are holding positions for the long term, say you have a lot of company stock, there's a way to reduce that risk of holding it. Then obviously the big fear trade here has been gold. It's been the play to be here. And that is just to play on fear. And the more that the economy weakens here, and as we continue through these policy missteps that are coming down through the administration to the economy, gold is going to continue to play out well.
Well, in terms of gold, a lot of people are saying, well, it's too late now. Is it too late?
Look, anything at the buying something at the peak of a move where we kind of are right now is not going to immediately work out. But if gold will go through these moves up and down, but longer term, we're going to see gold probably much higher than where it is today if the government continues on the path that they're on. Now, hopefully, cooler heads are going to prevail here, and we will do the right thing, raise the debt ceiling, and move forward and really start cutting spending. We don't have a revenue problem. Right. We've got a spending problem.
Yeah, so it's how we get to the deal, which is key, too. Lance Roberts, thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
And every minute counts.